Ciao, Jovemse, Gimgyopo, Dragomie.
Ciao, Yasung-young is Korean.
저는 한국 사람인데 미국 교포라서 can I speak in English?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix Korean and English. Hello, my name is David Kim, and I'm an English teacher here in Korea. 안녕하세요.
On je professional nastavnik engleski jezik. He's famous English teacher here in Korea.
Okay, well, not that famous. 그렇게 유명하지 않아요. And sorry if I look tired. 지금 3시간밖에 못 자가지고 I look very tired, but I'm very excited for this content.
오늘은 저기 우리 김교포 is very passionate style. 굉장히 열정적인 스타일이에요. 그래서 항상 work, много ради, 일도 옷 보내야 될 약. 월요일부터 거의 쉬는 날이 없어요. 그죠? 그래서 사실 이렇게 연애 데이트를 많이 할 시간도 없죠.
그거는 제가 that's my problem. 그게 제 문제인 것 같아요. 연애할 시간 만들어야 되는데 안 만드는 거 곧 고칠 거예요. That's not good.
그래서 우리 김교포 he's very serious. 여자한테 굉장히 진심인 편이죠.
I love women. I think they're very beautiful. I like all kinds of women. White women, black women, European women, Asian women, Mexican women. So I heard today's content is about Croatia or Serbia.
발칸. 이상형 월드컵이라는 게 미국 문화에도 있나요?
몰라요. I don't know.
한 번도 안 해봤죠?
안 해봤어요.
This is kind of ideal type World Cup. Okay, let's see.
Okay. So I lived in Korea until I was 6, and then I moved to America when I was I moved to America when I was 6, and I came back when I was like 27 to Korea. So I grew up in America most of my life, and I never really dated a Korean girl, maybe one time. But after I came to Korea, I only dated Korean girls. No gyopos, nothing, just only Korean. So that's my little background of my female resume. And if that matters, okay, we're gonna get started right now. Bam.
그랬어요. 유니타 이시도라.
힘드네요.
진심으로 해야 돼. 유니타 이시도라.
골라야 돼요?
Just one.
솔직히 둘 다 제 스타일이 아니에요 지금.
좋아요.
여러분들은 그렇게 생각할 수 있어요. 너는 뭐 그렇게 잘생기지 않았는데, but don't leave comments like that. I'm sorry, but 나 눈 좀 높아. So if I have to choose, I say Isidora.
Isidora.
If I have to choose.
Isidora, Dora.
Both beautiful. Both beautiful.
미르야나, 루나. 루나 맞다. 미르야나, 루나.
Dating or marriage?
오, 그게 또 다를 것 같네.
Of course, we men are different. Dating, Luna. Marriage, Miriana, I think. But
지금 내 나이가 있으니까 결혼으로 해야 되나?
I'm 36 international age, so I say 미리아나가 좀 더 골치가 덜 아플 것 같아. Luna's maybe too much men. 남자가 많을 것 같아. So for marriage, marijuana 대만족.
자, 다음 카타리나 멜로나.
Next.
멜로나 누군지 알아요?
I don't care. 멜로나.
트럼프 와이프예요.
Yo, that's fake picture.
아니야, 멜로나 진짜 젊었을 때.
When she was younger.
그리고 발칸 슬로베니안 출신이에요.
You know, 멜로나가 she shouldn't have got plastic surgery. She was so beautiful. 옛날에 진짜 아름다웠는데 어떻게 된 거야? 성형수술 너무 많이 했다.
멜로나.
Wow, she used to be beautiful.
야, 그 트럼프 성대모사 한 번만 해주세요.
That's my wife, Melona. Okay, believe me, she used to be beautiful, but she got plastic surgery, and believe me, she was not beautiful anymore. Okay, believe me.
So yeah, 멜로나. 이 사진에서는 멜로나.
오, 멜로나.
Right? You guys all agree.
멜로나 진짜.
Any guy would agree with me.
맞아. 슬로보다 니나 양코비치.
Nina Yankovic.
니나.
She seems very innocent in that picture.
밀리자 브랑카.
Branca. She seems very 뭔가 cute and innocent and sexy at the same time.
오.
Yeah, right? Next, this.
Zrinka Brankica.
You know, both of them look like they have a lot of makeup. They might look different without makeup. In this picture, right? Zrinka looks prettier, but for some reason, I think Brankica, she may be prettier without makeup. But in this picture, let's go with Zrinka.
Zrinka.
Yeah.
사진으로만 가야 되니까. 다음은 레나, 니나. 오, 바로 니나.
Yeah. 남자는 0.4초에 반해야 돼.
오. 라나, 요바나.
라나.
오, 라나.
Yeah.
오, 또 나네. 미리아나, 멜로나.
I'm sorry, Melona, but I had to choose marijuana because I like marijuana. Oh no, I'm not talking.
Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about.
진짜?
Marijuana.
나도?
Marijuana.
메론.
What's her name? But she's what nationality is Miriana?
미리아나 is Serbian.
Oh, very pretty. Oh, wow.
니나, Zrinka.
Nina.
니나.
She's American, huh?
No, Bulgarian. 라나. 오, 라나.
Lana. She's pretty.
니나, 양코비치, 브랑카.
They both look like they could beat me up. they both look like they could fight, right? But I would go with Branca.
브랑카. 오, 많이 좁혀졌어요. 미리아나, 브랑카.
Branca looks more loyal, right? She looks like she'll be with you until you die.
라나, 니나.
Attractive, I like Lana, but Nina's more ladylike and more conservative. She looks more elegant, so I choose Nina. But if I was 20-something years old, Lana. But at this age, I'm done with girls like Lana. I don't want to date girls like Lana. She's beautiful, but she's showing a lot of cleavage in the picture. And I don't have nothing against that. 그거에 불만 있는 건 아니고, but I don't know. Just as if I'm thinking for a wife, Nina.
니나.
Is it 4강 now?
결승이다 벌써.
결승전?
니나, 브랑카.
Wait, really? Oh yeah, this is hard. Nina looks like a lawyer. Branca looks like she likes to go camping and very down to earth. But Nina, she seems very high standard. She doesn't like camping. She likes like big houses and
fancy
Gucci bags and of course I'm just judging this by the picture, but I think my lifestyle fits more with Branca.
Branca.
But I think Nina's prettier, but I think Branca's pretty too. Branca. My dog's name is Blanca.
Oh, yeah.
But I guess, okay, my wife's name is Branca and my dog's name is Blanca.
So?
Branca, yes.
Branca.
Yes, Branca. What nationality is she?
Ta-da! Branca! I have to find Branca. I think
I'm gonna follow her on Instagram now.
Branca.
Whoa,
That's there has to be another Bronca. Ciao, Jovi said Kim Gyo-po, Dragomir. 맞아.